Okay, hello, hi, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we're going to use here inside this box, there's a 2-inch eyepiece. So here it is, and we're going to see how we can going to install it on a telescope and a microscope. Okay, and later in a separate video after this one, we're going to show you how to install it on a industrial zoom objective lens. Okay, because it has a special method of installation. Yeah, I want you to see it separately. Okay, so this is it. This is it. Going to be organized. Okay, I'm the solo the director of this movie. So if you want to say, so this is the 2-inch eyepiece. Okay. Let's start with the covers. We remove them. That's so easy. It's nice. So hard. Okay. Yeah, that's it. So this is it. So we're going to use it on a microscope and a telescope. This is the telescope over here. This is the microscope over here. Okay. And you can see on the table here lots of adapters. So we're going to see how we are going to install this, okay, which is how big it is. And see, this is the default, usually default one these days. This is the eyepiece of 1.25 inch. This is the diameter here. This diameter here is 1.25 inch. Here it is 5 centimeters, which is a 2-inch. Okay, and that's supposed to be installed over here on a telescope, but this telescope is just 1.25 inch. Okay, so we have adapters for it. Okay, in order to be able to benefit from the presence on a telescope. Now, okay, let's start. So with this one we call it the cover. Or the rubber eye protection. Okay, rubber for eye protection. Now, because when you put your eye like this, it doesn't fit directly. Okay. Now, here we are going to start. For example, this adapter is used to let you install a 2-inch eyepiece like this, because this is, as we said, this is 1.25 inch shaft. This input here is 1.25 inch. So we will get this installed like this. And of course, don't forget to turn the screw. There is the screw here. Okay. This is screw. So this is one of the methods. Okay, install 2-inch eyepiece on a telescope. This is usually there's the one default one, which is of course it has an like its original opening, likely you install it. Doesn't need an adapter like this. Okay, and here you see this is on this side is 1.25 inch. This side is 2-inch. Okay. Now let's see. Let's see other adapters. What can be inserted here? For example, I can install this ring. This is here from inside is 48 millimeters. Okay, 48 millimeters. Outside is 5 centimeters, which is 50 centimeters. And this ring will give me from inside 42 millimeters. They always write like M42, M48, M like this. Okay, M28, this and also 28. Telling you what's there manufactured and you can find in the market. Okay, like of course I can just by imagination, okay, I can put any number. Okay, but this is what the market distributes. Okay, and this is how you should what you should follow. Okay, so I can use this like here. Okay. Now this is, see, yeah, this is M42, Okay, this is what we call a T adapter. This works like this, okay, and here you can work like this. Yes, I can install it like this, but does it really work? No, not with every telescope, okay? You must install here what we call a barlow lens, so it can, pull the image, can pull the image from inside the telescope if the telescope is not giving you a clear focused image, okay? So here, for example, I have one, so it already has it, okay? Here inside my Nikon camera. So, and here also there's this thing just to adapt this from this, okay? Okay, and you can just simply install it like this, and it has here this, okay, glass. As you can see, this is a lens, okay? Okay, this is a way just for seeing it, okay? Go like this. Just to give you the view from this side, so you can understand why you might need a barrel lens. This is a weak telescope compared to the eyepiece, to the 2-inch eyepiece installation method, okay? So you must have to install, and you must install, there's this distance here that you have to compensate, but the lens usually has to sit to touch, like this edge here has to touch this edge, okay, and has to cover all this, okay? This is the way we install eyepieces generally. Like, look at me here, so if I remove this, okay, imagine this is an eyepiece, okay, or this eyepiece, okay? So this is an eyepiece, see? Well, it has to be installed like this, so there's no spacing here. Okay? There's no spacing here. Okay? So things stay organized. So I have to move this now and unscrew it. Okay? Put things back in their places. Okay? I can use a cover there for the camera, but this is better because here I have a screw. That one is a plastic, very loose. I cover it better. Okay? Than using its original cover. Now there's another way here. Yeah, which is okay, where is it? Yeah, we have this, okay, and this is also here a pipe which allows me an extension, if you want to say, which allows me to install inside it, similar to this, okay. Like I have this part only, the one on the top. Okay, this one is just this part on the top, okay. And it has also threads, okay, screw threads, which will allow me female screw threads. Okay, here, female screw threads, those are M48, so I can install whatever M48 here. Okay. So you can install it like this. Okay, and then I can install here whatever I want to adapt it. I can adapt it right now on the microscope. Okay. On the microscope, I can adapt it here or here or here, same. those are the same, okay? And this is another one. So let's, okay. Now here, for example, I have this T adapter. This is M42 from here. This is M23. Okay, M means millimeters. Okay, so yeah, just yeah, this way. Okay, this way. Okay. Here, because we said this is M42, outside from M48. Okay, I'm just thinking like this. And like I said, we can start here or here. Okay. So it will be like this. Okay. And I can just remove this gap and install it like this. Okay. And I can, if I want here, I have the dial to raise glow at the stage. Yeah, and I can focus it. And it will focus. I can guarantee that for you. Okay, don't worry. It will focus. Okay. So just this, I not see it here, there. So this is it. This is how it will appear. Okay. Now with this one, okay, we can do the same. Okay. So it will be like this. Okay. It will be like this. This is installed. This extension. And then instead of installing it directly on the eyepiece, I can simply put it like this. And I can use this too. This will make like this. See, this is the ring that I've added. Again, one more time. This is the ring. Okay, this is M42, the 48 to M42. Okay, 48 to M42. So, okay, just like I'm covering the eyepiece. Okay, again, and this way will be better because this will allow you to change between the eyepieces. Okay, of 2-inch. Okay, we're having different focal lengths. Okay, I'm going to simply install this. Come on. Yeah, then I can, like I told you, I can just start like this. I know it's very high, but it can be used. Okay, if you put your microscope on a lower table, okay. Okay, and this way I can just, for example, remove this eyepiece like this and install another eyepiece over here. Okay. Although I made one that's dedicated, I went to a that shop, and they made me one similar to this shape. Okay. Okay. Now, let's see what also can be done. Okay, there's this lane. Where is it? Yeah, this one. Okay, this one. This is here M28. Okay, this M28, which is the filter side. Like when you install a color filter for the 1.25-inch eyepieces. Okay, like this here, the slide over here. This is the eyepiece that you saw earlier. Okay, minutes ago. So here, this fits like this. Okay, so we can simply install it like this. This is M48 from here. So this is like an adapter for the filter. If you have an opening here, okay, of the M48, and you want to install the color filters for the telescope, and same for the microscope, it will work. Okay. Yeah, it should work. I don't know how, but it should work. Okay. So this is it. And then what you can install right now. Let's see, where is that? 22. Oh yeah. because they have the smaller sizes. Instead of the M42T adapter, we have these. Okay. So here from this side is M28, and from this side is M23. Okay, and I'll just simply put it like this. Okay, see this opening, as we said, this is M28. So this is it, like this. Okay, and then it's just voila, put it like this. Okay, but like I told you, it's not like, let's see, put it like this. Okay. Now let's see, we can use instead of this, okay, this whole setup, okay, and the ring here, put it here, the ring, this ring, put it here, yeah, we can just simply yeah, see, it's taking it a little bit, okay. So you can just simply go like install it like this. Install it like this. This will allow me to like change eyepieces. Okay, like this. So yeah. Okay. Now that's it. I think that's it all for the 2-inch eyepieces. Okay, with the microscope and the telescope, you've seen it. That's it. This is all about. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like our channel. The other video that I told you about will be separate because it contains the C mount, and it has to use this type of mount. So that's why it's will be on a separate video. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like our